No, okay. Today I'm gonna do something a little different. It has no context really at all. I just was going to do it and then I was like, well, maybe I'll film it and who knows, maybe it'll be helpful for somebody. I wanted to show you how I go about dyeing my eyebrows and eyelashes. I don't love wearing makeup. I wore makeup yesterday. Like I wore a little bit of mascara, so I gotta take that off. I found this stuff about 8 months ago and I've probably used it about 3 times. It's completely worn off. I haven't done it in months. It is, when I have the time to do it, it's kind of a fun little, it's like when I'm doing face masks or, you know, I'm about to hop in the shower, so I was like, oh, I'll just do this quick before that. It's just nice because I'm blonde, so my eyebrows and eyelashes tend to be a bit more fair. If you can see, my eyebrows tend to grow in darker towards the middle and get lighter towards the end, so this is just helpful. And I have 2, so one of them is brown for my eyebrows and one of them is blue-black. Blue-black actually tends to be, it gives the illusion of a darker black, so I use that on my eyelashes and just kind of makes them nice and dark. Anyway, enough talking. I gotta wash my face so that I get all my makeup off. And I just use this stuff to wash my face. It gets my makeup off and I don't have to use like makeup wipes or anything. I just don't like the oils in those, so this is just an easy way to do it. Yeah, see, even there you can see it a little bit more. See that fairness at the ends of my eyelashes? It just darkens that up. What you're gonna need is you're gonna need this guy, which I just bought on Amazon. I'm sure there's different brands. This one is 1000 hour trademarked. You can look at it. It's a little wet because it's sitting on the sink. The only other thing you need is Vaseline. And this is to put around your eyebrows and around your eyelid and under your eyelid, just so that the dye doesn't get on your skin, and when you wipe it off, the Vaseline comes right off as well. I'm gonna do the brown dye on my eyebrows first. The way I do it is I just take the little plastic cover that comes on the top of this thing, and this is what I use to mix in. I just put it in here in the corner. So first you take this stuff. It comes in like a little tube. This is called color cream, according to the instructions. And you really don't need much. You just put a little glob in there. If you think about it, it's just covering your eyebrows. So take it and I just put a little bit in there. Like that. It gets really not that much. It comes with this developer liquid. You need 10 drops. And it comes out kind of weird, so you never get exactly 10, I think. Who knows? And then they give you like a little stir stick thing. And this, you're gonna think it's not mixing, but it just takes like a good while. It's like looking like that right now. And that's really appealing, I know. You'll know when it gets to the right consistency. And then you're going to take your petroleum jelly. And so then I just smear this along the bottom and around and the top. And don't be afraid to put too much on. So I have nice shiny eyebrow accentuations. I'm going to just show you my eyebrows and my eyelashes, what they look like beforehand. So it's supposed to be 12 to 15 minutes, so I'm gonna set it for 13 and a half, right in between. It comes with this little like mascara wand. I'm just gonna get it on there. Ooh, maybe I didn't mix up enough, I don't know. I guess I can always do more. And then you're just gonna brush it onto your eyebrows. Yeah, it's kind of self-explanatory. There we go. Beautiful. I look really good. Really good. So it won't look like this when I take it off, I promise. Though, I'm not gonna lie, it does kind of, it takes like a day for it to kind of dull down. But okay, so I'm gonna start the timer on the eyebrows. So now I'm gonna do the blue black, which is just this one. And this one I put on my eyelashes. Same thing, just take this, squeeze a little in the lid thing or in a dish or whatever you're using. Like that. 10 drops of the developer liquid. Mix it around. I think I added too much developer liquid in here because it's kind of liquidy. For the eyelashes one, so this one got a little more liquidy than the last one, and I would say if I was doing the eyebrows, it wouldn't be quite as important, but I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of the color cream just because it is going to be near my eyes and the stuff stings. I just want to make it a bit thicker so that it's not going to be as drippy. Oh shit! Pay attention while you're doing this, okay? And then before I put it on, Vaseline, very important. Cool. Done with the Vaseline. I will say that this kit comes with these little guys. They're like little pads that you could put under your eye if you wanted. I personally have found them just frustrating to deal with. I haven't had a problem. Disclaimer, me personally, I don't know if this will happen to anybody else, but I have not had a problem just putting it on, and like if it goes on where the Vaseline is, it wipes right off. So that's what I do. I don't use those things because they just slide all around and they're just kind of annoying in general. So you can grab a little of your mixture and leave some for the other eye, Hannah. I try not to get it too goopy because I don't want it in my eyeballs. Cool, okay. So I start out by putting it on like mascara, and I just kind of wipe it on there, and then I'll start just getting goopier with it. Okay, yeah, using the mirror, sorry guys. Hannah, you're filming, you're supposed to be a professional. And I'll put it on my bottom lashes too. Whoa, got a lot on that one. Oh! I don't know how I did it so much neater than I normally do. Normally it's like all over my face, which is probably not a good thing. It's on now. I'm gonna set the timer. So we'll start. So I have it on. I'm washing everything off. Kind of amazed that I don't have to have my eyes closed right now, because normally when I do this, I am laying on the couch with my eyes just absolutely shut, refusing to open them, and I'm really amazed that I did this so well. So now I will wipe the eyebrow one off. I don't remember how I used to do this. Cotton ball. So I've got a cotton ball. It's wet. Wipe her down. Already looking a lot more normal. My eyebrows are done. They're a little bit more predominant on my face now. I realized that this one looks darker. Looking in the mirrors, it actually isn't. It's because the light is coming from this direction and bleaching out this one. So we have 6 minutes for the eyelashes, and then I can wipe them off and I can show you what they look like. Okay, how do I take this off? Like purple. Okay, and it's still pretty dark on there. And that's it, that's all done. It's hard to tell once I wipe it off because you've been used to seeing me with like really dark stuff on. So I will do a side-by-side comparison. hopefully if I can figure out how to do that. This is what my eyebrows look like. But yeah, I mean, so you can see them, they're dark against my hand anyway, so it's kind of nice. Let me try to close this. Aha! Okay, there we go. Against that white wall. Yeah, I would say they're dark. I don't know. Alright, well, anyway, that's all I had to show you. So I hope you liked that. It's kind of like my only makeup hack that I know. For the most part, that's kind of the easiest way that I've found to just refresh the no makeup look, I guess. You can see it like doesn't change it drastically, it just kind of gives it an extra little something, and it lasts like, I would say maybe a month. So yeah, there you go. That's all I have for you. In the comments below, please start commenting on how I can do outros, because I'm so terrible at them, and basically all of them just end with me going goodbye. So it would be nice if you guys could help me out with that. Alright, cool.